Given one term in a ratio of fractions, find the other term. The ratio of the length of street A to the length of street B is 5 over 4 to 15 over 8. If the length of street A is 300 meters, how long in meters is street B? In this question, we're given a ratio of fractions. And if we think back to earlier lessons, the first thing that we can do when we have a ratio of fractions is get rid of the fractions. So I can multiply through by a common multiple on each side of the ratio in order to get rid of those fractions. So in this case, my lowest common multiple is going to be 8. So I'm going to multiply this whole ratio by 8. That's going to give me a new ratio of 10 to 15. Now that I have this new ratio, I can figure out the answer to the question. I have the length of street A is 300 meters, and I want to know the length of street B. Well, here's what I already know. I have a ratio of A to B of 10 to 15. So let's set up a new ratio of A to B, an equivalent ratio. I know that A is already 300. Now, how did I go from 10 to 300? What did I have to multiply by? I have to multiply by 30, which means that in order to keep these ratios equivalent, I also have to multiply the 15 by the 30. So 15 by 30 is going to give me 450. That means street B has to be 450 meters.